is the 6 o'clock news. The 6 o'clock news. News. Terrorist retaliation. The 6 o'clock news. News. Terrorist retaliation.
Good evening and welcome to the 6 o'clock news. Our lead story, terrorists have bombed an air terminal killing 54, including 17 Americans. Welcome to the 6 o'clock news. Today, a Marine compound was destroyed by a terrorist bomb, and casualties are estimated to be as high as 400. This is the 6 o'clock news. Pan Am Flight 301 exploded in midair today, killing all those aboard. The group responsible for the bombing. The 6 o'clock news. An American hostage has been hung after terrorist prisoners were not released from prison under a time deadline set by. This is a special report from the White House. At 6 p.m., the president declared war.
This is not a test. Be prepared to seek shelter in the event of an attack.
Attendant, watch me bite my nails in utter horror. It always takes me much more than a fast food minute. And he said, may I please take your order? Couldn't I please take your order? And Kim was antsy in the orangish booth, cause it was hard and cold and she was wearing jean shorts. I said, as long as it's fast, I don't care if it's food. And hey, give me one of them foil ashtrays. Sometimes my girl likes to smoke. Her eyes weren't blinking, so I asked her what she was thinking. Sometimes she gets so pensive, like a skinny Buddha. She said most men are colorblind, it's a genetic deficiency. But if you guess the color of my eyes, I might love you. Shell Minkin. No, I'm Lazarus Lucky, call me Lucky Lazarus. I just suffer from chronic, meager, post-high school enthusiasm. Tying her head in knots, and I am kin to one of them at least. I yawned to the relief of my tear ducts. She took a straw out of her cherry coke and sucked a tear off my cheek. Now that's love to me, and it occurs every day in urban Burger Kings. And even if it's temporary, the needy can't be greedy, can they?
This is the coolest